Welcome to Super Creative Numberblocks, a fun world where numbers come to life. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe, ring the bell for more.
Hello Numberblock fans, today we're going to explore the Numberblocks fun facts from 16 to 20. So the first character is 16. So 16 is the part of the member of the Made Out of One Club. That's because 16 can split into 16 lots of ones. And also 16 is the member of the Even Club. That's because she can split into 2 lots of 8s. Or 8 lots of 2s, and she has a flat at the top. So I will show you again because I want to make a faster version. So I'll make the explanation anymore. So I know you guys you guys maybe know about it. Well, 16 is an even number, but also 16 is the part of the member of Square Club. Square. Well, that's because 16 is made out of 4 4s. And also 16 is the part of the member of the Square with the Horsing Club. That's because 25 when she sneezes, we got 16 and 9. And 9 sneeze again, so we got 16, 8 and 1. So here's the fun facts of the Numberblock 16. So the next is 17. So 17 is made out of 10 and 7. And 17 is made out of 17 lots of 1s. And also 17 is the 17th member of the Made Out of One Club. And also 17 is an odd number. That's because 17 is has one odd block at the top. And he couldn't divide into 2s, so which means 17 is an odd number. And also 17 is the prime number because he couldn't divide into any numbers, just only himself and the ones. That's because 17 couldn't divide it into any numbers, and he can make only standing tall and laying by 1 by 17 and 17 by 1. So this is all characters of the Numberblock, all fun facts of Numberblock 17. So here's our 18. 18 is made out of 10 and 8, right? And 18 also the member of the Made Out of One Club. That's because 18 is made out of 18 lots of 1s. And also 18 is the 18th member of the Made Out of One Club. And also he's the 9th member of the Even Club. That's because he has a flat at the top if you lay him 2 blocks wide. And also he's the member of the 3 Club. That's because he can split into 6 lots of 3s. And also, he can make Super Rectangle Club. That's because he can make 6 rectangles, such as, listen carefully, I'll make the rectangles. 1 by 18, 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 6 by 3, 9 by 2, and 18 by 1. So, he has got 6 rectangles, which means 18 is the member of the Super Rectangle Club. Next is our 19. So here's our 19. 19 has 10 white blocks and 9 3 tiles of gray blocks. That's because 19 is the member of 19 is made out of 19 lots of 1s. That's because she's the member of Made Out of One Club. She's split into 19 lots of 1s, so she's the 19th member of the Made Out of One Club. But if we lay 2 blocks wide, we got 1 odd block at the top. So which means 19 is the odd number. And she has one odd block, and she could, and that's it. So this is all the fun facts of 19. But also, 19 is the prime number. That's because she couldn't make into any rectangles. You see, we got our 19. She don't know who is she. So she figured herself, but she couldn't make any rectangles. So she makes crazy shapes. So 19 is the part of the member of the prime club. That's because 19 couldn't make rectangles and she couldn't split into any numbers. So she could make only 1 by 19 and 19 by 1. But also 19 is the part of the member of 9 enders, cause she ends with the number 9. Oh, I forget to tell you, the number block 9 is the part of the member of the 9 enders club. So I use only the official club. So anyways, 19 is the is the second member of the 9 enders club. That's because she ends with the number 9. And she also has 9 gray blocks, which has 3 tiles of grays. 3 blocks are light gray, another 3 blocks are medium gray, and last 3 blocks are dark gray. So we got 3 3s are 9. And the last is 20. 20 has 20 peach blocks. He's made out of 20 lots of 1s. That's because 20 is the 20th member of the middle of 1 club. And also 20 is the member of the even club. That's because if we lay 2 blocks wide, we got 2 by 10, and he has a flat without 1 block at the top, which means 20 is the member of the 3 club. Of the even club, sorry. And also, 20 is the part of the member of square with Holston club. That's because 16 and 20, I forgot to tell you, 16 and 20 are divided by 4, so which means they're in the square with the Holston club. Usually can divide it by 4, but except from number block 4, because 4 is a fully square. Anyways, 20, that's because of the 36. If 36 needs 20, he can split into 20 and 16. So 20 is a square with a hole. So 20 is the part of the member of the square with a Holston club. And also 20 is the part of the member of super rectangle club. Why? Because he can make 6 rectangles. Listen carefully. 1 by 20, 2 by 10, 4 by 5, 5 by 4, 10 by 2, and 20 by 1. So here's all of the details of the number block 20. So this is all the end of the number blocks. So which character do you like? 16, 17, 18, 19, or 20? Please in the comments. So thank you everyone for watching. If you like it, you can click like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications for my new videos. So see you again next time. Bye!